The new Toyota Camry offers an all-hybrid lineup, which makes perfect sense at this time. Aside from its excellent fuel economy, the Camry offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, numerous useful technological features, and just enough athleticism and style to keep it interesting. It is an excellent midsize sedan choice. We tested the Camry XSE with front-wheel drive. During normal driving, acceleration is smooth and effortless, and there is enough power to get you moving when you need it. In our test, Camry accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds, which was marginally faster than the hybrid models of the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata. The brakes are powerful and efficient. We also like the Camry's quick driving and steady handling. Granted, we tested an XSE with sport-tuned suspension, but you can expect the Camry to remain stable around turns. The front seats in the Camry are a little too stiff for our comfort. However, they do a terrific job of supporting your back on lengthy travels and are often fairly comfortable once you get used to them. The climate control system works quite well, with a high fan speed and an excellent auto setting. Toyota got the ride comfort just right on this new Camry. It does not feel floating or divorced from the road, yet it absorbs bumps and dips with ease. Even at highway speeds, the Camry's cabin remains peaceful. The engine is the only big source of noise, which is gritty and unpleasant to hear when you mash the gas. The interior of the Camry appears to have improved with this latest generation. Underneath the huge touchscreen is a row of simple physical buttons and knobs for controlling the car's climate. The steering wheel buttons are confusing at first, but they eventually make sense. The Camry's driving position is relatively upright compared to other midsize cars, nearly too much so. This creates a more elevated sensation, with a nice view over the hood and right behind. Passenger capacity is adequate in both rows, and the car's flat roofline allows for ample headroom. Most Camry trim levels include a huge 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Overall, the device integration is among the best in the sector, with a wireless charging pad that appears to work rather than simply overheating your phone. The optional 9-speaker JBL audio system sounds better than Toyota items from recent years, but it still falls short of some competitors' Bose options. The driver assistance features are really impressive. The Camry has the latest Toyota safety technology and is nearly faultless. The technology can now detect when automobiles are entering and exiting lanes and adjust speed accordingly. When conditions allow, the optional traffic jam assist feature allows you to take your hands off the wheel at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. While the Camry has less cargo room in the trunk compared to the Sonata and Accord by the numbers, its 15.1 cubic feet is enough to haul a few large luggage or a large grocery run. The Camry's small item storage is excellent. There are several places to keep your phone, large water bottles fit in the door pockets, and keys fit perfectly in the bin beside the wireless charging station. If you need to install car seats for small kids, latch anchors are positioned under clearly indicated flaps, near to the surface, and with nothing in the way. The back bench is also large enough to accommodate numerous seats. Just keep your head up on the way in. Toyota claims that a Camry may achieve 44 to 51 miles per gallon in combined city/highway driving, depending on the vehicle's configuration and trim. This makes the Camry one of the most efficient cars available that are not plug-in hybrids or fully electric. On our standardized evaluation route, we obtained 45.9 miles per gallon from our front-wheel drive XSE test car, which is somewhat less than Toyota's 47 miles per gallon estimate but higher than what we got from a hybrid Accord.